Hey there from SpeedXperts. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step through the installation process for the Del-phi Diagnostic Software. Let's get started. To download the software for free, visit the SpeedXperts Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Here you'll find a variety of diagnostic software, including Del-phi and AutoCom. Simply download the PDF file, where you'll find the download link and a text guide. The first step is to disable Windows Defender or any other antivirus software. Open Settings, Update and Security, Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, Manage Settings, and disable Real-Time Protection. There are no viruses in the software, but Defender detects it because of the crack, so you don't need to worry. Next, you need to unzip the software package. Open the installation file and click Run Anyway. Once it opens, click Next and locate the password in the PDF file. Copy and paste the password into the Setup field. Click Next and choose the installation folder. It's better to leave it as is. Click Next and pay attention. Select Type 1 Software. Then click Next a few more times, create a shortcut, and click Install. The installation will take a few minutes. Make sure to install all the necessary drivers by clicking Next when prompted. Ensure everything is installed successfully. Actually, you can turn real-time protection back on before the next step. The software installation can be completed with real-time protection enabled. The final step is program activation. Unzip the second archive. You'll need the password SpeedXperts to do this. Open the crack file in the folder, click More Info, and then click Run Anyway. You can close the browser tab that opens. Finally, open the Del-phi software. Copy the activation ID from the window that opens and paste it into the crack window under the System ID field. Click the Generate Code button. Copy the generated code and paste it into the Del-phi window. Then click Activate. Now, you can close the crack window and wait until Del-phi starts. If you've done everything correctly, you now have activated and fully working Del-phi diagnostic software. To set up the tool, open Settings, Hardware Setup, and choose the required connection type. Locate your tool and test it. If you can't find your tool, try restarting your PC. You may also need to update the tool firmware. You can find various tools supported by this software on our web shop, SpeedXperts.com. We offer the Del-phi DS150 clone, AutoCom CDP+, and Multidiag. We sell high-quality clones that perform like the original tools but at a much lower price. Thank you for your attention. Use the best tools from SpeedXperts. Like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and see you soon.